Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share a special project, a full bridal Mehndi design. We started this intricate design at 3 p.m., beginning with the front of both hands. Here's a look at the detailed work on the front hands. It took a lot of patience and precision to get the designs just right. Next, we moved on to the back of both hands, adding even more intricate patterns. The back of the hands took some time, but the results were worth it. Finally, we completed the design on both legs. This part required the most attention to detail. We wrapped up the entire design at 9:30 p.m. It was a long session, but the bride was thrilled with the results. Take a look at the final results. Front and back of both hands and both legs all covered in intricate bridal Mehndi. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of my Mehndi designs, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.